Are we live? I almost forgot how to do this. I think we're live. Let's see. Seems like we are. Yeah, I've been doing this on Twitch, but I think it's basically Uncertain Systems 2023 sort of update, and it's gonna be a short one. Just kind of wanted to clean up some stuff, so I basically canceled the Twitch stuff, and I'm just really gonna be doing YouTube from now on. And I think another thing that I just wanted to basically update everyone on is that I'm just going to be taking that a bit more low key. I'm just thinking like OBS does seem to slow the performance down. Like the streaming tool of Twitch was actually quite good. So we'll see. It's a combination of stuff. So what I want to look at, what I want to look at, man. I want to look at the YouTube channel. I want to look at uncertain systems. Essentially, I'm just really gonna teach all that. That is just useless. It's pointless. It's like, I don't know why do these things even matter. What am I trying to tell myself? I'm just gonna, yeah, I think it this thing with, you know, having a roadmap, whatnot, the nodes, strange works, all this kind of stuff. Who needs strange works really if you have Replit? I mean, one of the things that I will definitely try to do is see if I can, because I was just thinking about this morning. I think it would be cool to actually do a small side project where we see if we can have some templates in Replit to run like against some quantum backends and some stuff like this. I think that would be an interesting project. Never done anything, built any templates for Replit, but I think that would be cool. Essentially just doing whatever I want. I mean, you know, I've been just reorganizing some of the videos. We do have, you know, you do have the, if I go to view channel, it do have now the you know, the solving quantum mechanics textbook exercises. That's just all these videos where I'm trying to basically solve exercises without actually having ever prepared for them and learning at the same time, exploring quantum mechanics. This is the original, or what I started like this year, as in like, hey, let's try to, you know, from Wolfram's model, let's try to understand quantum mechanics from there. Coding a quantum computing simulator, this is something that I'll eventually go back to, I guess, and then quantum computing from 0 to 1. This is something that it's pretty much closed already. That was kind of my first step in the journey, right, where I went just literally from 0 to 1. And then now I'm also playing with shorts, where I just basically, you know, kind of try to do things like intuitive breakdowns of exercises in like 60 seconds, 15 seconds and stuff like this. See how that works. So that's something that, you know, maybe as part of this series as well here. Anyway, but just so you know, I have to, one thing that I hate and I just feel, I just cringe about myself is just being sometimes too meta about this stuff. Oh, my goal is this, oh, my goal is that, I'm working towards this. You know, I don't know. I kind of like the space. I kind of like the learning, the grinding, sort of the day-to-day work on this kind of stuff. And, you know, just because of family reasons, it's been complicated in the past days, in the past weeks, in the past months. But it's still there. It's still in my head. So, you know, just as a little kind of life update, that's not, you know, it's not going to stop. It's just, you know, it's going to vary, of course, through, in terms of, you know, levels of intensity, but I'm definitely in for a long ride. Now the question I have here is, you know, yeah, why is this going so slow? Why is my computer already struggling when, to be honest, the Twitch streaming was the streaming software, which is actually based on OBS, was actually great. So I have to see if I can fine tune maybe some of the parameters in here. I know that was a theme before in the past as well. But yeah, I'm basically gonna get rid of these and then and do more live streaming. And so for those who are new to this channel, essentially that the philosophy is, it's a bit of an experiment of just me jumping into kind of doing raw thinking videos, right? So it's basically just not preparing for stuff and then going straight in and trying to solve things, share everything that is just going like just totally unprepared, you know, on a live stream or a video. Depends on, you know, maybe I might just switch to actually doing videos and uploading, or sometimes live streams. I don't know, we'll see, because YouTube also deals with live streams in a bit of a different way. So I might as well just be recording the raw sessions and uploading them. There's no point in doing the streaming anyway. I mean, there's the point, as in like the skin in the game is there, right? Because it's live, and you know, essentially I can't prepare for it, right? And you have the proof that it's live in a way. I just don't know how well these things can be organized, because if I go to live streams, well, you have all these things in here which are classified as live streams, but I mean, I think you can also just then have them as videos linked in here. We'll see. Yeah, to be honest, that's it. I don't know. It's one of the things where one struggles, right? You're basically kind of trying to find purpose in what you're doing, and but it's just fun. I don't know. It's just a fun way to explore things, and I don't know. I don't know, man. It's just good to deep dive into these things. It's a fun exercise in a way. It's like, it just keeps your mind fresh. It's interesting. You discover new things. You connect to people. You basically, you know, you might end up just building something cool out of these. Who knows? So yeah, I think that is essentially it. So I guess we'll be seeing more videos being uploaded soon, as I said, different topics, but the theme is not changing. The theme is definitely not changing.